This is Brian Putt. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to create a discrete distribution using the SIPmath Modeler Tools and how to plot cumulative distribution functions and actually compare two different cumulative distribution functions. I have already generated a normal distribution with a mean of 3 and a standard deviation of 3. The spark line is shown here. And here's the input data for the discrete. So I'm going to come over here to the results, go to SIPmath Modeler Tools, generate input, discrete, and I will highlight the values. So here are the three values. And here are the probabilities. Let me move this down here. Probabilities are down here. And the cumulative probabilities I'll put right here. And these will be computed by the SIPmath Modeler Tools. And then I'll say OK. I'll define this as an output with a name of D-discrete. I now want to take the product of these two things. Okay? And it's going to be equal to the normal times the discrete. And we'll call that D underscore product. Let's start by generating the cumulative distribution function for this normal curve. So I'm going to come up here to graphs and I'll click on cumulative and I'll put it right here. Okay? So that's what our normal distribution looks like. I can get rid of this right now. I don't need that anymore. Oh, maybe I will, but that's all right. And now I'd like to get the distribution of the product. I guess I need to first of all define it as an output. And an output name of product. And then I'll get this as a graph of that. Okay. But now what I'd like to do is be able to put those two charts together. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this chart and I'm going to come up here to design, select data, and I'll add a new data series. The data series is over here on SIPmath chart data. So I'm going to use this third row, which is a name. And then I'm going to use the X values. Now the X values are green cells, cumulative. So we'll come down here to the green cells. And we'll highlight all of these. And then we need the Y values. And they are conveniently right here. And we'll say OK. Okay. We can now add the legend. And you'll see the legend is showing you the expected value of these two different curves. Here's the normal, and here's the product of that plus the discrete. Hope you found this useful.